In this video, we'll be going over how to add WhatsApp chat to WordPress website step by step. Adding WhatsApp chat in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your WhatsApp chat added to your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Click Add New Plugin. In the search field, type in Click to Chat. You'll see the Click to Chat plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the plugin, find Click to Chat in the left side menu. Click it. You'll see WhatsApp number. Put in the WhatsApp number or WhatsApp business number here. Next is the pre-filled message. This is what will show when someone clicks on the WhatsApp icon. Next, you'll see Call to Action. If you hover over the WhatsApp icon over to the right, you'll see it says WhatsApp Us. You can change this to whatever you'd like here in the Call to Action field. I'll change it to say Chat with Us. You'll see over to the right, it's been changed. Next, you'll see the Style, Position section. You can select from different styles to show. You'll see the different styles over to the right as you can click on each style. You can have everything from different types of WhatsApp icons, WhatsApp buttons, WhatsApp text, image to show. I'll choose the Style 2 for mine. Next, scroll down and you'll see the position type is set to fixed. Position to place, you can change if you want the WhatsApp chat icon to show at the top of the page or bottom. You'll see 15px next to it. You can change this number to change the placement. For example, I'll change it to 400px to go to the center of the page. I'll change it back to 15px. Next, you can change the WhatsApp chat icon to be on the left of the page or right. You can do the same with the 15px and change it to show over to the side or on the page. I'll change it to 900px as an example to move it center with the site at the bottom of the page. I'll change it back to 15px. Underneath, you'll see mobile and desktop, same settings. If you click this, you can have the custom style for desktop devices and then have a different style for mobile devices. You would do the same as I just went over above. If you want desktop and mobile devices to have the same style, just click the Mobile and Desktop Same Settings tab to change it back. Next, scroll down to the URL structure section. You'll see Desktop. You can choose for the link to open in a new tab, a pop-up, or a same tab. Desktop URL structure, you'll see default wa.me. This will open up the WhatsApp desktop app. If you choose Web WhatsApp, it'll open up the WhatsApp website. I'll choose default wa.me as this is most popular. You'll see mobile URL structure. Same thing as above. You can choose default or the WhatsApp website. Next, scroll down to the display settings section. You'll see desktop and mobile. You can select to hide the WhatsApp chat on a certain device if you want by clicking the Hide tab. Where you see Global, you can choose to show the WhatsApp chat icon to show on all pages of your website, or you can select to hide on all pages. You'll see the Overwrite the Global settings section here. You can choose to hide or show the WhatsApp chat icon via Homepage, Post, Pages, Archive pages, Category pages, and 404 page. Next, where you see post IDs, you can choose to hide certain pages on your website. You can hide it from showing on certain category pages. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to save your changes. Now let's view the WhatsApp chat on our website. I'll hover over my site title at the top. I'll click Visit Site, and you'll see the WhatsApp chat icon showing here. If I click it, it'll bring up WhatsApp chat and I can begin to chat and send a message. Now let's go over other customizations for the WhatsApp chat plugin. From the WordPress dashboard, if you hover over Click to Chat, you'll see Greetings. Click Greetings. You'll see Add Greetings dialog. Click from the drop-down and you can select No Greetings dialog, Greetings 1 Customizable Design, or Greetings 2 Content Specific. I'll click Greetings 1 Customizable Design. I'll click Save Changes to show you an example of this one. I'll reload a view of my site I have pulled up. This is what this one looks like. It'll have a pop-up show up and I can click to chat. If I go back to the Greetings 1 Customize page, where you see header content, you can edit this here. To edit this, be sure to click Text here. Where you see Site here, this is the text that shows here. If you want to put in something else here, just remove this, and for example, I'll put in Demo Website Tutorials. I'll pull up WhatsApp on my website, and you'll see the name here is changed. You can change the font size here and the font color for the text. Where you see typically replies within minutes, you can replace this with whatever you'd like. I'll pull up the WhatsApp chat. This is where the text shows. You can change the font size here. You can change the font color here. Next, where you see Add Header Image, click this and you can choose a header image to show. For example, I'll select this one. I'll pull up WhatsApp on my website and you'll see the header image showing here. Where you see Online Status Badge Color, you can change the color if you'd like. Here's where this shows on the WhatsApp chat. Where you see Main Content, you can change the Any Questions Related to Title with whatever you'd like. I'll change mine to have a question. We are here to help. I'll pull up WhatsApp on my site and you'll see it's changed here. You can change the font size here. Next, I'll go to the bottom content section. You'll see Online Privacy Policy. You can change this if you'd like. You can change the font size. You'll see this shows up here at the bottom of the WhatsApp chat. Next, where you see Call to Action, you can change this to what you'd like. I'll change it to Chat with Us. I'll bring up a view of the WhatsApp chat on my website and you'll see it now says Chat with Us. Next, where you see Header Background Color, you can change this. This color is shown here at the top of the WhatsApp chat. You'll see Main Content. You can change the color of this. This color shows here on the WhatsApp chat. Where you see Message Box, you can change the background color here. This is where the color shows for this section in the WhatsApp chat. You'll see the background type, Call to Action button type. Click this, and if you click Background Image, you can select or unselect to add the WhatsApp background image to Main Content. I'll pull up an example. This is what the background image looks like, and this is without the background image. Next, where you see Call to Action button type, you can change the button type. Here's an example of the Themes button style one. Scroll down to the Additional Settings section. From the drop-down, you can select Opt-in if you'd like. You can then change the text to whatever you'd like. I'll click here to opt out of this option. Where you see Display, you can choose to have the display greeting show on both desktop and mobile devices. Desktop only or mobile only. Where you see Greetings dialog size, you can change this to a size you'd like if you want to change it. Next, you'll see Initial Stage. From the drop-down, you can select Preset, Open, or Close. Click the Save Changes button to save your changes. If I scroll back up to the top, from the drop-down, if I select Greetings 2, I'll scroll down and click Save Changes to show you what this looks like. Here's what Greetings 2 looks like. You can begin customizing the same way that we went over in Greetings 1. Next, in the left side menu, under Click to Chat, click Customize. From the drop-down, where you see the style, you can customize the image size. You can choose how to display the call to action. You can change the call to action text color. You can change the call to action background color. and you can change the font size. You can choose to select Display All Styles if you'd like. When you are done, click the Save Changes button. If you click Other Settings, you can choose to add animations, entry effects. If you scroll down to Notification Badge, if you select Add Notification Badge, you'll see the notification badge showing up here. You can change the notification amount, the badge background color, text color, border color, and the badge time delay. If you scroll down to Analytics, you can input event details for Google Analytics. Pixel is where you can set up a Facebook pixel. Google Ads conversion, you have to have the Pro version of the plugin. If you scroll down, you can create webhooks if you'd like. Under Advanced Options, you'll find Advanced Settings. Click the Save Changes button to save your changes. That's all there is to it. That's how to add WhatsApp chat to WordPress website. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.